Do you want to make money online within the comfort of your own home? Well, that is exactly what I'm gonna teach you in today's video. Now you don't need any money or any credit card to do this. The method that I'm gonna teach you in today's tutorial is for beginners. It is very easy, and it takes about 15 minutes a day to do, and you don't need any skill nor experience to do this. This is available in every country around the world, meaning everyone in any nation can do this right after watching this video. In this method, if you complete a 5-minute simple task, you can earn $25. When you do a 10-minute task, you can earn $75. And then when you do a 30-minute task, you can earn up to $300. I'll show you exactly how to do it on your computer or on your phone. So make sure you stick around and don't miss out on any part of this video. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you how to leverage the best and most effective platforms to make money quickly. Tune and watch the video until the end if you're interested. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis. So make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new method, so you can be the first and one of the first to try it out. Like and comment down below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and will reach a larger audience. Before I show you anything, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever you upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications, and you'll be notified anytime I submit a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. The website that I want to show you today is this right in front of your screen. Now I know some of you guys might have actually come across this website before, but this is a brand new method that I want to show you step by step on how to do. But before that, I want to show you that PayPal is actually accepting people from all over the world, as you can see, 200 countries and regions. This is definitely a legit company and a real opportunity because they are partnered up with big companies like Google, Amazon and Microsoft. Now I'm going to show you some real examples of this. I'm going to be demonstrating, and you guys can watch me step by step before trying out this website. So when you come over to this website, you can also register as a tester and start making money online. Now it is very important that you don't skip any part of this video, because they are going to ask you a total of 16 questions that you have to answer properly, so that they can actually approve your sign up. So I want you to watch this video all the way to the end before you go onto the website and try it out yourself. So right now I'm gonna click on this create account button. As you can see, this is question number 1. I'm going to do it live for you all the way until question 16 to the end of this video. So now I'm going to give you a real life example of exactly how to do this, so that you can start earning PayPal money. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video. Now I'm gonna go back here and complete my registration. Now next, what type of mobile device do you own? So I'm gonna select either iPhone or Android. Now for my case, I have an Android phone, so I'm gonna select that. The next question here is, what type of computer do you own? Now you could maybe select Mac or Windows PC. In my case, I have a PC, so I'm just gonna click on that. Next right here is, what is the version of Windows that you use? I'm gonna select Windows 10, so just click on the next button here, your gender, and just click on that. So next, question number 5, what year were you born in? Now I'm just gonna type in my answer right here and click on next. So over here is important because when you select college graduate, you're going to receive a higher paying job, because right now you are an adult, you have an income, you have a job, so I highly recommend you select college graduate. And then you're going to click on the next button right here. Okay, your employment status, you can select either self-employed, full-time or part-time. So I am gonna click on self-employed. I'm just gonna click next to see what industry you're working in right here. Now for question number 8. When you click on here, you can see that there are a lot of options, and then you can even click on these to display additional results, and they will show more results for you. So right now I'll give you a bonus tip. When you're in the industry of information technology, or some other things related to software and computers, you're gonna make so much more money on this website. So for myself, I would select information technology, and afterward just click on the next button. So here is question number 9. Make sure you keep watching because there are a total of 16 questions, and again, I'll show you a live example at the end of this video on how to do the job. If you guys are enjoying this video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video stating I will receive money online, we'll post a terrific new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can get money doing simple things like this. So if this video receives 2,000 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. So right now, as you can see here, is a job title. So when I click on this tab right here, you can see that there are a lot of options that you can choose from. I will select marketing, and we will search marketing strategies right here, and just click and type marketing and find marketing strategies, and I'm just gonna click on next. Now once your annual household income comes up, feel free to select the option that best suits you. Now I'll select next. I'm just gonna click on this next button, and now it asks what is your full name, so I'm just gonna place my name right here. And I will click on the button. So on question number 12, what is your email? So right here I'm gonna place an email, then just click next. Question number 13 is very important as well because they downright want your PayPal email, so that once you complete your job they're able to send money into your PayPal account. So once I enter in my PayPal email right here, I'm just going to click on the next button, and then moving on we're going to go to question number 14, which is very simple, just type in your password. Now we go on to question number 15. Now this is very important right here. They are going to ask you what time zone you live in. Just click on detect my location. Now if you want to click into provide time zone manually, just click on this link right here, and you can actually select what time zone you're coming from. In any case, just select the option that best suits you. Now this is the final question, question number 16. All you got to do is click on this one, yes I agree, and click sign up. So congratulations, you successfully signed up for your account after these long 16 questions. Now I know that is a lot of questions and answers, but again, you can do it in less than 2 minutes if you watch this video and just copy exactly what I did. As you can see here, thanks for signing up. Now they're going to send you a confirmation email, so make sure you check your inbox for a message from this website. And then you want to click on the link in the email to activate your account. Now once you click on that link, you're going to go through this simple 1-minute screener test. Right now I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and again I'll show you a live example of how you can make money on this website. Right here you can click on the screener, click on this green button here, so you can see make money testing websites from your home. Right here we are recruiting people to test websites from their phone or office. Now you can do this on your phone, or you can do it on your computer. It just takes about a minute to do this. It is quite fast. Now then make sure that you use Google Chrome browser right on your phone or computer to open up this website on the link on your email when you are activating your account. Then you want to click on this button, as you can see here. I will test websites for money. Click on this white button and then they're going to give you a tutorial, and you can watch the tutorials. But again, this green little ball is actually where you can click on, and it's gonna show you what task it is that you have to complete. So this is where your instructions will appear right here on this green ball. And then I'm just gonna click on next. Now with this ball here you're gonna go back to the top right hand corner. So whenever you need some help you can always click on this show the task or hide it. So right now I'm gonna click on OK. I'm ready to begin this test. We're gonna click on this white button here. To begin, please install the platform's extension. Again, when I click this white button here you will come onto this page, as you can see here, Validately Unmoderated Testing, and it has got over thousands of users right now. They are using this tool to test the website from their home, and you're able to make PayPal money just by doing that. So with that, make sure that you click this blue button to add to your Chrome browser, so that they can use the software to start testing the website on your computer or on your phone. So once you have downloaded the Google Chrome extension you're gonna receive jobs like these. For example, they want you to test the website, and this is one of the jobs that you might receive, which is simply visiting the website. And they even provide you with the link. So all I gotta do now is just follow the steps provided by the website, and just complete them. Now don't worry, these steps are easy to do, and mostly consist of taking screenshots of the website and submitting them. So it is not only going to take you a few minutes to do them, and then when you get more experience you can do them faster. And you can find so many jobs, so many websites that you can use, and that you can make so much more PayPal money again and again. And by the way, the URL of this website of the day is at panel.validately.com. And that's it. Alright, well, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do, just like to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.